Help will cover the HTML manual, the browser, the list of objects. Welcome to this tutorial. This tutorial is going to talk about the help section in puredata. So the help, when you click on help, and you can go to HTML manual, and it'll bring you to the PD documentation of the HTML documentation of it, and you can go through all of this and explore it. Also, there's a browser, and in this browser, if I can move it, there we go. It gives you examples. So here's like a manual, and then there's an introduction. You can open it and you can read more information on it. And then there's like more examples, like part 1, like hello, and it talks about like hello world and a print object where it sends a message to the console. So if I click on hello world, it goes to the console. And there are many other examples in this help browser. So just explore it, and it'll help guide you through puredata. Then there's also a list of objects that you can go through right here. It gives you a bunch of details of all the objects that exist in puredata. So that's a really helpful guidance tool to help you through understanding more about puredata and its objects. You can also right-click it and click on help, and it'll give you even more details of how to use it. So there you go. This is an example right here. So all I just do is I go into the object, and I right-click the object, and I right-click and click on help, and it brings you for more details of what the object means. So that's really helpful. That's all for now. Thanks for watching.